Hey, welcome everyone in this new video tutorial about Diablo-like dungeon generator. So I was preparing the final video for this series of tutorial, and I actually stepped on several bugs and quirks and all odds things. So I wanted to fix them all. So right now we have and actually I'm back on the map we worked on for the entire series. I'm not on my project. I went back on the map and I fixed and I already made some changes, so I had to talk about because I made them offline off video. So I think I only moved the use level board in our metrics folder and I unchecked it by default like that. I think that's the only change I made. And if I'm hitting play, we still have our good old generator working fine. But I stepped on the bug that if I say that I want an eastern end tile direction, it's going to fail to generate the end tile and we're going to have errors. And it's even more if I say that we want corridors to end, now nothing is working. So I found out what the bug was offline. So I think that's quite easy. It's not that I think. I found out that it's quite easy to fix actually. When we generate the layout, when we actually draw the end tile, at the end we are trying to find a new cell around. And if we are not trying to find a random cell around our location, it's actually failing to return the proper location in there. We changed the way that function works and now it returns the found location, and in there we only returns get cell in direction only returns 1001 etc. It only gets the tiles around the 0 location, so we need to add to that the starting location, and then we need to connect the wires it is attached to. We need to hit compile, hit play, and then it's working better. So we can say that we want 0 corridors to end and we want an eastern end tile, and it's working. So if you find out other bugs like this that I didn't find, make sure to tell me in the comments. I'll add additional videos to fix them. And we have other things to fix. I just wanted to make two quick uh, aesthetics change. I wanted to move our background tiles down, and I wanted our end tiles to be of another color. But it reminds me that I also wanted to clean up a bit of our actor BP tile hierarchy. So we're just going to create some new components in there, new scene roots in our BP tile. We want 3 scene roots. The first one is going to be modular blocks. The second one is going to be system. And do we need other? No, we don't. We don't need the third one. And we need system to be attached to the scene roots. And we want to have our text render and arrow directions in our system folder, and then we want to have all of our blocks in the modular blocks folder like that. And so we did some changes to our BP tile and to our level generator in general in our previous videos, where in the project we exported our level generator too, but we will consider that I did not re-import the level generator from my project to our tutorial project. So this is the version of our level generator that dates that we did before we export the generator. So we do not have some of the feature we did during the level design workflow videos. So we'll just remake them real quick in that video. Because you might need them. So, but first I wanted to modify a bit of the aesthetics of our background tile and end tile. So our background tile, we're going to move our modular blocks from 0Z to minus 500Z, and the end tile is going to not be green. Actually, the start tile is not going to be green. The start tile is going to be dark gray, and I'm going to be right back.